Look for a compact, effective product lineup that covers flying and crawling insects, rodents, and perimeter barriers while staying budget-friendly. Start with Alpine WSG as your water-soluble granule for crack and crevice and spot treatments because it offers residual control against a wide range of insects when mixed to label strength and applied with a low-pressure sprayer. Measure precisely using a scale or graduated cup and always agitate the solution to keep granules suspended so every application is consistent. Add Bifen insecticide technical mix or ready-to-use Bifen IT for broad-spectrum residuals on baseboards, around doors, and on exterior eaves because its beta-cyfluthrin active ingredient provides long residual protection and is effective against pyrethroid-susceptible and some tolerant populations when rotated properly. Keep delta dust for voids, wall cavities, and localized dry applications where liquids are not practical. Apply thin, even films with a bulb duster to avoid overuse and minimize tracking. Use Entice bait stations or gel baits strategically for ant and cockroach control by placing small amounts in harborage points and replacing or monitoring weekly to assess acceptance. Include Bifen LP as a ready-to-use liquid option for quick spot treatments and exterior perimeter work where rapid knockdown plus long residual is desired. Buy smaller, professional-size containers initially to reduce upfront cost. Avoid redundant chemistries by choosing multi-purpose formulations, and document label directions and re-entry intervals for every product to remain compliant and safe. Common mistakes are using too many products that overlap and waste budget, so streamline to the minimal effective set and focus on proper placement of each material. Another issue is improper mixing and application rates causing failures or complaints, so always use calibrated measuring tools, mix to label directions, and keep an application log. A third concern is resistance buildup from repeated use of the same chemistry, so rotate active ingredients between visits and integrate non-chemical tactics like sanitation, exclusion, and monitoring to reduce reliance on sprays. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors and gives contractors a place to connect with potential clients in our service area. We also host an active discussion community where professionals and homeowners exchange practical tips and ask product and selection questions.